Hello, Uncle 766, pineapple juice knocking on your back door. Hello, Uncle 766, pineapple juice knocking on your back door. Hello, Uncle 766, pineapple juice. 766, pineapple juice knocking on your back door. Aloha.
Look at the headroom on that translator. Hey, Taboo, ain't nothing but headroom. I'm in this red, this 56, got down, bye.
No Roger, no get back 766, no contact, Switchblade. No get back 766, while I knock on your back door. Pineapple juice, 766, pineapple juice knocking on your back door. Aloha.
Oh, pineapple juice calling Switchblade, 766. Oh, pineapple juice in that way, you can hear Switchblade, 766. I heard my nephew pineapple juice calling 766, and I heard him calling my nephew the pineapple juice, Switchblade, Wolflake. Bye.
And then Raj, Uncle Switchblade, man, I'm trying to call you, but that 766 in there plugging my cotton picking ears. That Uncle 766 be loud cotton picker dropping a big maul. Hello, Uncle Switchblade. Hello, Switchblade. Pineapple juice right there. Hula Skirt City. Let's rock.
You calling you, Cavalier? Take care, Dollar 66, Switchblade, Wolflake. I'm 10-7. Bye.
Bye, Uncle Switchblade, man. I try to call 766, but I can't pick a guy plugging my ears. Hello, Uncle Switchblade. Hello, Switchblade. Hello, 766. Pineapple juice at this big luau. Come on, let's ride.
Hello, 72, all boys. Hey, 72, you got it popped up right in there like that. Come on, 72, all point there. What's up?
No get back, my Uncle Switchblade, no contact, 766, the big boss of the West Coast. Pineapple juice, no contact, the big boss of the West Coast, no contact, Wolf Lake, pineapple juice, walking through, aloha. And little Roger, Cat Boggs, I wave to you too, big brother. Hello, Cat Boggs. Hello, Mr. Cat Boggs, pineapple juice. Cat Boggs, pineapple juice. Come on down, let's rock. Hey, Uncle Switchblade, man, you walking and talking. I heard Cat Boggs in there. I heard my Uncle Switchblade out there in Mississippi, Wolflake. Nobody but sweet juice, nobody but pineapple juice. I got my 2-foot roadblock. Come on, let's rock.